Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to math. Today we're going to cover our last concept, okay, which is permutations and combinations. Usually in Algebra 1, we learn the equations of how to solve for them. Today we're not really going to solve for them. Today we're going to identify if we're using permutation or combination, okay? One or the other, okay? You really can't solve it if you don't know which one to use. So our objective for today is to know which to use to solve for the word problems, okay? Remember, when you're dealing with combinations, order does not matter, okay? It can go in any order. Where permutations, on the other hand, the order does matter, okay? It has to be in a specific way. So, let's get started with today's concept. Alright guys, notice that we have some more problems here, okay? We're going to do the first four together, okay? And then you guys are going to do by yourselves 5 through 14, okay? So this is the ones you guys are going to do by yourself. Obviously, you don't have to solve them. As I state, if each scenario involves a permutation or combination, okay? So all you're going to do is tell me if it's permutation or combination for each one of these. You really don't have to use this part. You don't have to solve for it, okay? So let's do the first one. A team of 8 basketball players needs to choose a captain and a co-captain, okay? Our keywords are here, captain and co-captain. So does it have a specific order? It does, right? Because you need a captain and the co-captain. So out of the two equations, or out of the two words, which one are we using? Are we using permutations or combinations? Remember, order does matter. So it's permutation, okay? It's permutations. Okay. On our second one, okay, it says Rob and Mary are planning trips to 9 countries this year. There are 13 countries that they would like to visit. They are deciding which countries to skip. Okay. Notice that they're choosing 9, yet it doesn't have one specifically that you're choosing. Okay, they're just going to 9 out of the 13. So since there's no real explanation of which one they want to go to specifically, this is a combination. Okay? Because remember, order doesn't matter on combination. So they really don't care which ones. They're just going to skip a few. Okay. Here, again, we had a specific order. We needed a captain and a co-captain. Okay. Permutation usually involves a list. Okay. Or a lineup, should I say, and specifically. So the batting order for 7 players on a 12-person team. Again, the battering order, okay, for 7 players on a 12-person team. So there's, again, you're choosing 7 players out of the 12. You could probably say it's combination, but again, once that first place is filled in, nobody else can be in that first place anymore. So since in a way order does matter, it's permutation, okay? Because order does matter who goes first, who goes second. What if you wanted to get the best player first, okay? Then it would matter the chances of you on that game. For number 4, there are 45 applicants for 3 computer programmer positions, okay? Again, we have 45 people. 3 positions open. Does it really matter who we get? Does it say I need someone that's really hands-on with computers? Does it say we need a young person? Does it say we need... It doesn't say much. All it says there's 45 people, 3 positions open. So does it matter who we pick? It really doesn't. Okay? So this is a combination. Okay? Alright, guys. So what you guys are doing is you're doing the same thing for 5 through 14, telling me if it's a permutation or a combination, okay, for each one of these. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there should be a total of 10 answers, okay? Don't label it 1 once you send it. Some of you might say number 1 is permutation or combination. Put in the number it is, okay? So since you're starting with 5, say number 5. It is what it is. Number 6, number 7. This way it makes it easier for me to grade it. Okay. Alright, make sure you submit your answers as soon as you're done watching the video, guys. And that's pretty much it.